Welcome to Tool Zone. In this episode, you'll see how real pros turn routine work into pure visual poetry. From smooth, precise moves to jaw-dropping results, it's all here. Get ready to be amazed. Harvesting fruit from tall trees is like real-life Tetris. One person cuts, another catches, and everyone's hoping not to drop anything. It's all about teamwork, or else it's raining fruit instead of gathering it. Sure, the John Deere could handle the job alone, but where's the fun in that? These workers turned plowing into a full-blown rodeo, proving that even field work can be a wild ride. Washing, ironing, folding, 3 eternal chores for anyone who values their time. But now there's a smart robot that handles it all, unfazed by stubborn wrinkles or vanishing socks. This conveyor system is more than functional. It's hypnotic, like a ballet of machines performing a perfectly choreographed routine. Installing an air conditioner on a skyscraper isn't for the faint of heart. It takes real experience and nerves of steel. The bartender's skill is on another level. Few can match his speed and precision when making drinks. When wood is carved into something this breathtaking, it's hard to believe it started as an ordinary log. It's like the craftsman had help from a forest spirit guiding every stroke. The final stage of woodworking is the most exciting and crucial part of the process. The visual impact of this video is absolutely stunning. This rug looked like it barely survived a disaster, but now it's cleaner than ever. Is it sorcery? Nope, just top-notch skill. Despite having powerful machines at their disposal, this crew prefers traditional tools and craftsmanship. Their massive woodwork project showcases patience, precision, and master-level skill. Casting metal fences is like a blend of blacksmithing and wizardry. Only the magic here is molten metal. Each mold is filled with the precision of a jeweler, turning what could be a simple fence into a true work of engineering art. This little plaster creation is so charming, you'll want to put it front and center at home. It's perfect either as decor or to spark some artistic inspiration. Corn harvesting with a team looks like choreography in motion. Every move is synchronized, and those cobs are flying like track stars. Never thought wire winding could be mesmerizing? Think again. It's a mechanical dance in perfect rhythm, and if you watch closely, it's almost hypnotic how beautiful it is. A man skillfully uses a hand planer to shave off ultra-thin layers of wood. A milk and coffee drink is topped with latte art, creating a decorative design on its surface. This painting technique is definitely original, and while the end result is stunning, it's clear that a lot of effort goes into achieving it. Beauty like this comes from real hard work. I'm not entirely sure what his goal is, but I can't deny, it looks captivating and impressive. Maybe that's exactly where the artistry lies. Braiding dough for muffins isn't as easy as it looks. It's a creative and intricate task, but when pros are at the helm, every batch comes out looking and tasting amazing. The way this simple tool shapes smooth, curved borders is nothing short of mesmerizing. Any girl would be delighted to receive such a stunning bouquet. This tiny mirror cutter might be small, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to precision. It proves you don't need a big tool for big results. Woodworking isn't easy, but seeing footage like this makes it clear. Some people genuinely find joy in shaping and crafting wood. To properly compact plaster and achieve a flawless finish, you need to apply it in ultra thin layers, just 1 to 2 millimeters thick, and that's no simple feat. If you're a perfectionist, this clip will be pure bliss. The sheer scale of this project is seriously impressive. Did you know floral-infused French paper first appeared in the 1960s? Before that, paper was plain white, so this creative twist was a real breakthrough at the time. Laser technology makes cup crafting look easy, precise, efficient, and full of flair.